Day 89 speaking challenge, 81 speaking challenge every single day. Continue learning English and recording myself. I've been learning English, and this is the great way to improve speaking, actually, to record yourself and rewatch and analyze and training, practicing speaking questions. Like I prefer TOEFL speaking. Yeah, so today let's do this. I hope this quality of the video is not so bad. Yeah, it's like something's going on here. Okay. By the way, today I pull muscle. Just like when I was training and pull up bars, I did something real twist. Like I would twist my neck some way and put a muscle right here. Okay. Just quick information about my health. Just before, I didn't know how to say this action when you get this injury, but right now I know this. It's called pull a muscle. I just want to practice it here and remember. First question in TOEFL: do you prefer using credit cards or cash for your purchases? I definitely prefer credit cards. I don't use cash anymore. I haven't been using this I don't know, for 5 years maybe already, something like this. In general, like only if something really small, like not really expensive, cheap purchase, like buy maybe a water in our water machine in dormitory, something like this, in vending machine. And but in general, only credit cards. Everyone uses right now bank cards. It's not widespread anymore to use cash in my country. Like I'm talking about this, or we can pay by a QR code on our smartphones, this online systems. It's much more relevant, I think, to use credit cards because first of all, it's available everywhere right now. We can get cashback or bonuses using credit cards. Even if we left our credit card somewhere or someone steal it from us, we can just block the account on our smartphone and secure our money. If we lost cash, we can't get it back. The second task, the main expert's opinion, and I need to explain this. If situation in university that management decided to reorganize and they get a funding from somewhere to buy new machines in the university's gym, but it was actually a man, it was a woman, so it's not correct question. The woman in conversation, she shared the opinion that it wasn't necessary at all to buy new machines. Putting more new machines in a gym are not gonna make any difference, because it never was a problem to get this gym, to get a machine and do some exercise for students. It was never a queue for waiting for a moment, and so she was never struggle with it to just go to the gym and do sports. And she thinks that university could find another way to spend this money. Third task, explain the concept of positive reinforcement with respect to the example provided in the lecture. Let's take a look at this example. Let's imagine it is Johnny in the class. Pretty quiet boy, but unexpectedly Johnny has started to participate in the class and start trying to answer aloud his thoughts, and the teacher has noticed it, and to reinforce Johnny, to support him, to provide by a reward, teacher decided to, every time when he heard that Johnny answered, trying to share thoughts, teacher told him the right words to support, to notice, to mention this, that Johnny doing good, and he needs to continue answering. And when Johnny feel this connection and support from teacher, and he will obviously continue. So this is called positive reinforcement, when you reward someone's behavior by mentioning this, by saying positive words. Then we'll probably see like exponential progress from someone who had been supported. In the last task, I gotta describe how does the ultrasounds work. There is a crystal, and they're moving these crystals with the high frequency rapidly forward and back like this, but we can't hear this sound because frequency is too high for humans' ears. So then this ultrasound waves, what has been created by these crystals, they go inside the human's body when doctor put this kind of machine to our body. And these waves, they go into the organs. Then these ultrasound waves, they're reflected from organs. Then it's going to be processed by computer, and then computer will determine what kind of waves was reflected from the organ, and there were several patterns of these waves. So then doctor will tell us, will know what's going on inside our body just by watching these reflections. Now, thanks to TOEFL speaking, I know a little bit of medicine. It's cool, actually. It's cool. I know medicine. I know how to ultrasound works. All right, speaking practice, day 81 is done. I see you tomorrow, bro. Let's continue.